I want to talk to you today about domestic violence and assault. A lot of people call us up and they're questioning, I've got two charges, domestic violence and assault. Well, truth is that domestic violence isn't a crime. It's an enhancer. It's a sentence enhancer. And what that basically means is that you could be charged with any crime in Colorado, from theft to criminal mischief to assault, and then they classify it as domestic violence. What domestic violence means is that it's an act or a crime that's been committed against somebody who you've had an intimate relationship with. So it could be a former spouse, it could be a family member, it could be somebody who you have a child with but are no longer together with. There's a lot of people that would qualify in that domestic violence role, but again, it's a sentence enhancer. It's not a crime. So let's talk about what domestic violence assault looks like. Assault is a crime where you get charged because the police are alleging that you committed a bodily injury against somebody else. It's not serious bodily injury because we're talking about the misdemeanor version. This is just somebody where if you were to punch them, or you were to push them, or you were to hit them or kick them or do anything to them, and they tell the police, it caused me pain when they did X, that is going to end up being a crime of assault. Now, the domestic violence comes in when it's your spouse or your former spouse who's saying, he touched me and it caused me pain. I want to talk through what a domestic violence charge looks like. Now, if you're watching this video, you may have already experienced some of these things. And some of you may be wondering, well, what's going to happen because my wife has said that she's going to call the police? In those situations, the next thing that's going to happen is the police are going to show up. Every time you have a criminal case or the police are involved, don't talk to them. Protect yourself by not sharing information that they don't need to know. You need to talk to an attorney. You need to call us immediately, and we can walk you through those steps of what you should and should not say, of what you should and should not do. But when the police show up, they're going to want to hear from you. They're going to want to hear from your spouse. So they're going to ask questions like, well, what happened? So-and-so is saying that this happened. What do you say that happened? And they're going to try to get you to talk with them. Avoid that trap. Don't share information with the police. Wait and talk to an attorney, an experienced criminal defense attorney who can help guide you through that process. So if you're facing charges of domestic violence, whether it be for assault or robbery or trespassing, call us today. We want to help you. We have the expertise to be able to help you through this difficult time.